Hello schoolBic users. I'm Alicia. We understand how important giving discount to parents are, and this is why we integrated the discount module in our school management software, for you to be able to apply a discount to certain parent, class and students' invoices. However, I'd like to bring this to your notice. Only the system super admin will be able to create a fee discount to avoid any fraudulent activities in the system. And also only the school accountant and super admin will be able to apply discount to users' invoices based on the default setting. Without any further ado, let me show you how to create and apply a discount to invoice. Here we are logged in to the super admin portal of our demo school management software. First of all, navigate to accounting. From the drop-down menu, select fee discount feature. Here you can see the list of all your created fee discount. To create your fee discount, click the Add Fee Discount button. Simply enter your discount title, description, enter a discount code. schoolBic support both percentage discount type and fixed discount type option. Choose between the two discount type option you would like to use. In our case, we are going to choose the percentage discount. Then enter the amount to be discounted. And on the code status option, select Enabled, and the discount code will be enabled. Then click the Add Fee Discount button to complete the creation of your fee discount. The next thing to do is to allocate the discount to users. Click the green button. Then click the Add Fee Discount Assignment button. You can apply a discount to a specific invoice. Simply search for the invoice by its name and select the invoice. Or you can apply a discount to a specific class in your institution. And last but not the least, you can apply a discount to a specific student invoice. Simply search for the student and select the student to apply the discount. You can apply to multiple students or single student. Next, click the Add Fee Discount Assignment button to have everything saved. Here, you can see the students, class or invoice you have assigned this discount code to, and you can easily remove a user from using this discount by clicking the Remove button. To disable a discount code, go to Edit Discount and toggle the discount status to Disabled. You can always enable it later. Alright, before I say goodbye, let's see how a discount code is shown on the allocated student invoice. I will just search for the student invoice that I just applied our schoolBic at 5 years discount code to. So here this is how a discount code is shown on user receipt. So what are you waiting for? Put a smile in someone's face and start giving discounts to parents today. Also, remember to check out other videos we have created to learn more about schoolBic, and if you have a question regarding this tutorial video, please don't hesitate to get in touch with your account manager or contact us. Thank you for watching from all of us here at schoolBic. Stay safe, COVID-19 is real.